Well, I got my first rainy day since I've been back on the road in this new van. It's been so clear and sunny for, geez, the last month, so it's actually kind of welcome. Other than being cooped up in the van, I do love the sound of the rain. Well, it is time to break this camp here in Morristown, Arizona. This worked out. I wouldn't really recommend this spot. It's kind of noisy. It's right by some train tracks. There is a private road here that goes to like a little kind of like private rodeo grounds. So you've got a lot of trucks with horse trailers like this coming by. And, you know, it's totally legal. It's BLM, but not really the most ideal for, you know, seclusion and quiet. There was this big pile of firewood. I ended up not burning any because it rained the last 2 days. Was considering bringing some with me, but it's wet. And, yeah. So I'm let it up, ready to get out of here. Let's do it. Well, I got a decent amount of rain the last couple days. It wasn't steady. It was on and off showers, but a few of the showers were pretty heavy downpours. Good. Give all these plants out here a little drink. I'm sure they were thirsty. And let's see, where are we going? Do I even know where we're going? Unfortunately, I'm going to backtrack a little bit. Another big spot over here. Once again, these are all like right by the highway and train tracks. And these train tracks get used, at least while I was here, there was trains at least a few times a day. And it seemed like this spot right here was like a staging spot where the train would stop and whatever they're doing. So it was quite noisy. But really, it didn't bother me. I was, you know, with the rain, kind of drowned it out. And really no one else out here as far as campers. Or my first day here when the weather was still nice, saw a couple side-by-sides off-roading on these roads. But other than that, it's ghost town out here. So we're gonna get on the highway, and actually we're gonna head west a little bit. I'm got some stuff that came up that I'm really not ready to talk about yet. But it's going to involve me not continuing east for a little bit. So maybe when I'm feeling a little better about it, I can bring you guys up to date. Well, I really wasn't planning on being back in Quartzsite this soon, but I think it's going to be where I camp for a night or two. I got to get some laundry done, and I do need to be near somewhere where I can get mail and have a good cell signal. I've got some personal stuff going on where I need to be able to receive phone calls from my family. So I'm probably going to pull right into the laundromat here, get my laundry out of the way. It's only about 11 a.m. Stop in the little market there, get a few groceries, and go find a camp. Set up my shower, take a shower. Wow, there's hardly anyone out here compared to just a month ago when I was here. The big tent event is long gone. Most of the big groups that meet up out here for their gatherings are all come and gone, so it should be a lot more mellow. That was a nice little drive. Well, Well, looks like we got a full house here. This laundromat does have showers and a little restaurant right up in front, so it's a pretty popular spot. We'll see if there's any washers open. If there's not, I'll worry about laundry another day. Well, we got laundry done. Glad to have that out of the way. I actually grabbed lunch over at the restaurant in front of the laundromat. It was pretty decent. We had a hot roast beef sandwich for $8. Came with mashed potatoes and gravy. Not too bad. All right, we got our water jugs filled up, gassed up. We're ready to go find a camp. Get my shower set up. It's been a few days. Dang rain. Looks like there's still quite a few vendors still set up here on the roadsides. A lot of them have moved on though. You guys watch Russ from RVer TV? I think he's camped over here at Tyson Wells. Well, Russ is a good guy. Alright, we made it through that little mess. Let's go see if we can find a camp up this way. Alright, well, we'll give you a little shot of my camp here at Dome Rock Road in Quartzsite, Arizona. Got the van parked up like this, giving me a nice little bit of shade on this side of the van. Got my shower tent set up. And I don't think I've showed this yet. I picked this up here pretty recently, guys. This is a 1982 Honda Trail 110. Been kind of wanting one of these for a while. I had something very similar before I moved into a van, and it feels good to have something like this again in my life. Been doing a lot of trail exploring around here in Quartzsite. Really been a lot of fun. So yeah, this will definitely add a lot of adventure. Wanted to give you a little glimpse of the camp here. Weather's been beautiful. It has, the rain has subsided. I had about 3 days of rain, and geez, the last couple days it's been beautiful. 70 degrees during the day, 50 at night. Can't beat it. I'm having a blast on the old trail bike here. Show you one of these. This is actually an old mining shaft here, and they put these big steel things on top to protect people from falling down in there. You can actually walk over it if you want to. I'm not the best with heights, so I get a little shaky, but yeah, it goes way down there. Anyway, I'm realizing the camera, or the battery on this camera is dying, so I'm gonna head back to camp. Well, we've got a couple new additions here in the van. I've had these little kind of spice rack things hanging around for a little bit, so I went ahead and mounted one here. Although I really don't want to have my spices over in my desk area for now until I get some stuff built up top here. That's where that's going to reside. Then I put one more down here. It's just above my fridge, and on top of my fridge I usually keep this basket that's got my fresh vegetables and stuff. So I think that'll work out good. I can still open the door on my fridge plenty. Frees up some space in my other storage bins. So let's get some dinner going. we're doing up some beef tacos for dinner tonight. The ground beef, I put diced up tomato, some diced up garlic, what else? Some oregano, some dried chives, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. Just getting some corn tortillas going. And then I've got my diced up onions, tomato, and cilantro. Should be good. Oh yeah, that'll work. All right, let's give it a try. About 3-4 more of those, I'll be good. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.